channels to urban areas.
Techniques from Japan have improved the production volume of our milk. It's thanks to their methods. We want to build on that know-how. That way, hopefully we can use what we have already learned to expand the dairy farming industry here.
In addition to milk products, dairy farming has also begun to provide villagers with new sources of income. One of these is cow manure. If it's just left to sit there, manure is washed away by the rain into rivers. This is bad for the environment. Yoshihama wants to turn these piles of waste into a usable resource. Some dairy farmers have followed the Japanese team's suggestions and started making compost. Adjusting the water content of the manure and churning it in the open air, the smell vanishes after 4 months. By then, it has become fertilizer. A single cow will produce around 10 tons of compost a year. If sold, that could amount to 3 months of the average income in the region.
Sangat membantu sekali Pak, karena dulu tai sapi itu cuma dibuang saja, tidak ada kayak pengolahan begini. Setelah datang Pak Rima Sensei, kita artinya mengadakan pengolahan, akhirnya bisa jadi uang, Pak.
Composted manure helps improve depleted soil. It's starting to become popular among vegetable farmers. The Japanese group has been visiting the area for 3 years. The project is reaching its end. Wakatsuki has brought together Basso and other long-standing participants. He asked them to guide new farmers through the basics. When he and his team leave, it will be up to local dairy farmers to keep these techniques alive. Wakatsuki watches closely, proud that the knowledge he has brought from Japan is being passed on among members of the local community.
I think this was great. I hope you'll hold similar training sessions for new farmers in the future. Today's session was a first step forward, right? You as a group will guide new farmers along the next steps until they develop decent skills. I think I still have a long way to go. But Wakatsuki taught me well. He gave me this opportunity. I intend to use it.
On the last day of the team's stay, local residents invite Wakatsuki and Yoshihama to a farewell party. They've shared many difficulties over the past 3 years, but they've worked together to establish this dairy farming industry.
Nanti ketemu lagi, Pak. Semoga bisa ketemu lagi, Pak. Semangat. Kita diandalkan sama yang lain.
Outside technology only becomes part of a region when local residents make it their own. The true test of how well dairy farming will succeed in this area still lies ahead.